Well, folks, come on over. We're gonna do something different. I think we're all ready. Let's do a nice Mother's Day table today, right here on my take on Home and Garden. Of course, we're gonna celebrate our wonderful mothers for Mother's Day. Hopefully you have one. Let's see what we're going to use on our table today. Okay, folks, here's our wonderful Mother's Day table for 5 that we're going to work on today. Wonderful buttery yellow with florals in the damask style. I see tulips and I see some lily of the valley, which reminds me that we're going to do an arrangement too, and we're going to mimic the plate settings we're going to use in this video. Let's check it out. I think we'll use a center medallion gold here. Okay, we're going to use wonderful stainless flatware, and we're going to mix gold and silver today, which I normally don't do. We'll see how that works. Wonderful linen napkins in and off ivory white. And everybody comments and loves these charger plates in a fabulous early summer. Look at this beautiful look for Mother's Day. Alrighty, here's our inspiration for this table. We have our Bavarian set, and these are Winterling by Schwarzenbach, Bavaria, Germany. Superb porcelain dinnerware. We have matching cups and saucers. A vintage pair of salt and pepper with yellow roses. How about a fabulous by Napco, a Nippon teapot with yellow poppies and gold trim. Well, we knew the swans were going to come out here in early summer, so how about a porcelain swan vase? Austrian cream and sugar, early 20th century. How about a wonderful nut dish by Lefton, which is a Japanese company, and couldn't wait for Christmas to use these wonderful Lennox candlesticks. And again, from our wonderful friends on Long Island, wonderful Lennox bowl with a robin. How about this incredible, we only see her once in a blue, once a year maybe, reticulated serving dish made in Bavaria. Okay, is that everything already? Alrighty, well, let's get going on this arrangement. We're gonna look real quick. I think I want to hang some beautiful wisteria from the chandelier. We're going to go with a light violet and a off-white. We're going to have some leucanthus, roses, an ostrich fern. We're going to have daisies and baby's breath. We'll have a whisper of lavender because of the wisteria and the lavender in the dinnerware. And some beautiful yellow buds. All right now. Let's start out with a typical background, an ostrich fern, a grouping of 3, nice and odd. I do have this vase slightly weighted, and if you notice, we have all porcelain pieces in our table today. How about a group of beautiful peach cheeked roses, and we'll get those turned just right. Yellow buds highlighter, Lysanthus, goes with our color scheme. This is for the most part a 360 view arrangement, although I do like the fern in the back. Now how are you going to lose with some beautiful daisies? These are giant. There's some white and off-white, and there's 5 of those. Baby's breath will skirt around the bottom, and I was worried about everything fitting in here, but I think we're doing really good with that. Then, just like the plates, just a whisper of lavender, and we'll get some coming out the opposite side. Look at this sunny, pretty summer bouquet for Mother's Day. Here's our gold medallion. Okay guys, let's look at our Mother's Day table 2024. Beautiful, summery Bavarian plates with a centerpiece to match. You know, we don't clutter our tables with food. We put the food on the island. You prepare your plate, buffet style, at the island, and come and sit down. Folks, hopefully you enjoyed and loved our Mother's Day table for early summer. And this really cuts me loose. Now I am going to start, summer decorating. Coming up soon. Take care now, be good, be blessed, and we'll see you in the next amazing, over the top, off the chain, incredible, beautiful, give you some ideas video. Would you come have tea at this table? What else are we having? It's gonna be good. We're having club sandwiches and a homemade minestrone soup. To all the beautiful mothers out there that help so many of us, we love you and we thank you for every minute that you took care of us of every day. Happy Mother's Day, everybody. See you soon.